Welcome back students. Today we are going to see some problem of physics standard 7. Here one table is given and we have to fill the empty spaces in the table. In this table, change in velocity is given, time taken for the change is given and acceleration is given. We have to fill up the blank spaces. Question. Complete the following table. First, what is given to us? Change in velocity. Change in velocity is given 50 km per hour. Time taken for change. Time taken for change is given 30 minutes. We have to find acceleration. Now, before trying to find acceleration, first we will consider the unit and see whether we have to give emphasis on unit or not. Yes, we will consider unit because here change in velocity is given kilometer per hour and the time taken for the change is given in minutes. So we have to consider the unit first and we have to convert these minutes into hour. So 30 minutes is equal to half hour. Now, acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. So, acceleration is equal to change in velocity is given in 50 kilometer per hour unit. That is change in velocity is 50 km per hour divided by time and time is given in minutes but here hour is there, so we have to convert this minute into hour and this will be what? Half hour. Now we can simplify it. Acceleration is equal to, we can write it in this way, 50 divided by half and the unit also we can simplify, that is kilometer per hour divided by hour. We can write it this way. Here there is nothing, so we can take it 1. Acceleration is equal to 50 division will convert it into multiplication, so it will be the reciprocal of half and reciprocal of half will be 2 by 1. This also we can change, kilometer per hour division will get converted into multiplication, it will be 1 by hour. Acceleration is equal to 50 into 2 is 100. Kilometer will be as it is. Hour into hour will be what? Hour square. So acceleration is equal to 100 kilometer per hour square. 100 kilometer per hour square. Hour into hour is hour square. So acceleration will be 100 kilometer per hour square. The next problem we will study. Second, change in velocity is asked. We'll keep as it is. Time taken for change is given. It is what? 3 minutes. Acceleration is given. Acceleration is given, which is 1 centimeter per second square. Again, if we again consider the unit of time, here second is given, here minute is given. So definitely we have to change the unit into second. So 30 into 60 is equal to 180 seconds. Now we all know acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. We have to find change in velocity. So change in velocity is equal to acceleration into time. Change in velocity is equal to acceleration is given, and this acceleration is what? 180 into second into time, and time is given. Change in velocity is given acceleration into time. Acceleration is given what? 1 centimeter per second, and time is given into 180 second. So we can simplify it in this way. Change in velocity is equal to 1 into 180 into centimeter upon second square into second. So is equal to 180 second square and second will get cancelled, and the unit will become, this is velocity, will become centimeter per 1 s is left, so second. Change in velocity is equal to 180 centimeter per second. We'll see the third example. Now, if we see the third example and consider the unit, okay, what will you see? The unit is same, meter per second, meter per second. So time is in second, time is in second. So we don't have to change the unit. Here time is given in per hour, and here time is given in minutes. So we have converted these minutes into hour. In the second case, we have found this is in minute and this is in second, so we have converted this into second. But here what happened? Meter per second square meter per second is given. So we'll consider the third one. There is no need to change the unit. Change in velocity is given. Change in velocity is given, that is 30 meter per second. Time taken for change we have to find. Acceleration is given, and acceleration is equal to 6 meter per second square. We know the formula. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. We have to find what? Time. Time taken for change. So time taken for change is equal to change in velocity upon acceleration. Time taken for change is equal to change in velocity. Change in velocity is what? 30 meter per second, and acceleration is 6 meter per second square. We can again write it in simple form. Time taken for change is equal to 6 1 the 6, 6 5 the 35 meter per second divided by meter per second square. is equal to 5 meter per second. Division will be converted into multiplication, second square upon meter. So meter get cancelled, s and 1s get cancelled. So remaining is what? 5 second. Time taken for change. Time taken for change is equal to 5. 1 s is remained. So 5 second. 5 second. We'll see the next problem.